Why do some people break under pressure, while others bend and recover stronger? The difference is not luck, it's emotional resilience. In this video, you'll learn how to build emotional resilience using psychology and neuroscience in simple, practical steps. Resilience is not about ignoring pain, it's about training your brain to recover from it. What is emotional resilience? Emotional resilience is your ability to handle stress, adapt to change, recover from setbacks, and stay balanced during emotional pain. Resilient people still feel stress, they just don't stay stuck in it. The brain and resilience. Resilience involves three key brain systems. The amygdala detects threat, the prefrontal cortex regulates emotions and decision-making, and the hippocampus processes memory and learning. When stress hits, the amygdala activates. But resilient brains have a stronger connection between the prefrontal cortex and the amygdala. That means the emotional reaction happens, but it calms down faster. Resilience is emotional recovery speed. Why some people struggle with resilience. Chronic stress, childhood trauma, emotional neglect, constant criticism. These experiences can make the amygdala more sensitive, so small stressors feel huge. But here's the powerful truth. Resilience is trainable. Neuroplasticity allows your brain to rewire. 6 science-backed ways to build emotional resilience. 1. Regulate before you react. Resilience starts with regulation. When triggered, pause, breathe slowly, lengthen your exhale. Calm body first, clear thinking follows. 2. Reframe the story. Your brain creates meaning from events. Ask yourself, what else could this mean? Instead of, this is a disaster, try, this is uncomfortable but temporary. Cognitive reframing strengthens the prefrontal cortex. 3. Build stress tolerance gradually. Avoiding all stress weakens resilience. Controlled challenges build it. Small discomforts, difficult conversations, trying new skills, stepping outside your comfort zone. Each success teaches your brain, I can handle this. 4. Strengthen social support. Resilience is not isolation. Safe connection reduces cortisol. Sharing emotions prevents internal overload. Support doesn't remove problems, it reduces their emotional weight. 5. Practice self-compassion. Harsh self-criticism increases stress activation. Self-compassion lowers anxiety. Speak to yourself like you would to a close friend. This reduces the amygdala reactivity. 6. Focus on what you can control. Stress increases when we feel powerless. List what you can influence. Act on one small step. Action restores agency. Agency builds resilience. Signs you're becoming more resilient. You recover faster from disappointment. You pause before reacting. You tolerate uncertainty better. You feel less overwhelmed by criticism. You trust yourself more. Resilience feels like stability, not perfection. To summarize, emotional resilience is recovery speed. The prefrontal cortex regulates the amygdala. Neuroplasticity allows growth. Reframing builds cognitive strength. Regulation, support, and self-compassion reduce stress. You don't need a perfect life to be resilient. You need a trained nervous system. And that training starts today. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to PsycAcademy for brain-based growth tools, comment, what challenge are you learning to handle differently? Resilience is not something you're born with, it's something you build.